Hello students, hope you all are fine. So students, as you know, we are doing large numbers chapter. So today our topic is even and odd numbers. So these two terms are totally new for you, even and odd numbers. There are two types of number in our counting, even numbers and odd numbers. Now we will discuss it one by one. So first I am taking even numbers. For understanding even numbers, here I have taken some balls. Okay. Now I'll make pair of two balls. Now before doing this, you should know the meaning of pair. Some of you students, they know what is pair, but those who don't know what is pair is collection of two same things. Okay, like in your uniform you wear two socks, it is called a pair of socks. You wear shoes, there are two shoes, okay, and same person is wearing those shoes, so that is called pair of shoes because there are two shoes. Okay, so similarly I am making here pair of two balls. Pair of balls means I am taking two balls, one and the same thing. Pair of balls or two balls. So make a pair. So first I am taking these two balls, so I have put them in a box. Then next two balls in next box, then next two balls in next box, then next two balls in next box, and last two balls in the last box. Okay, so now how many pairs we have? 1 2 3 4 and 5. So in every pair there are two balls. It means these are total 10 balls. Okay, so if we are able to make pairs, now no ball is left for pairing, no ball is left, so it means every ball is in pair now. So then that number is called even number. If we can make pair of them, complete pair, nothing is left behind, okay, then it is called even number. So the total balls are 10, so it means 10 are even. Okay, but the problem is when the number is big, like number is in hundreds or thousands or more than that, then how we will decide that which number is even number? So students, if you see here carefully, now in first box two balls, in next ball again two balls, so total balls are 4. Here total balls are 2, but when we include these two balls also 4, then if we include these two also, all these balls become 6. Then if we take next two balls, then all these balls become 8. If we include these two balls also, then it will become 10. Okay, so 2 4 6 8 and 0. Okay, so numbers end with 2 4 6 8 or 0 are called even numbers. Clear? Why we are taking this? From this you can understand, because when we add one pair, one more pair, then we are getting these numbers. Okay, no need to cram these numbers. If you see it carefully, it is just 2's table. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. But here we will take only its 0, not whole 10, because we are just checking its last digit of any number. From last digit of any number, we will decide whether this number is even or not. Okay, so numbers end with 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0, then those numbers are called even numbers. Now let's see example. This is 424. Now we will focus on only its last digit. We are not concerned with these digits, just last digit. Okay, if it comes in 2's table, these numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, so it is 4, so it means this number is even number. Similarly 536, so we will focus on last digit 6, so 6 is also including in this pair. Okay, it is also even number. Next, if I take bigger number, means if I take number in thousands, so just checking last digit, you can tell any number whether it is even or not. So its last digit is 0, so 0 also we have written here, so it means this number is also even number. I am telling you again, no need to cram these numbers, you can just remember 2's table. Okay, so this is all about even numbers. I hope it is clear to you. Next I am taking here odd numbers. So again I have taken some balls here. Now I'll make pair of 2 balls. Okay, so in first box I kept 2 balls. In next box again I kept 2 balls. These 2 balls I have used, these 2 balls I have used. In next box again I'll take these 2 balls. In third box, in fourth box, again I have taken 2 balls. Okay, sorry, 1 ball I have drawn extra by mistake, so this is not any ball. So in fourth box I have taken next 2 balls. Now what is left? We left with 1 ball unpaired. It has no pair. There is nothing after this ball, so it is unpaired. If it is unpaired, then it means this number is odd number. Like count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So total number of balls are 9. So it means anything is left unpaired, it means that number is odd number. Now again the problem is same. What we will do, how we will decide if the number is bigger? So the numbers end with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. That numbers are called odd numbers. So if you are not able to remember these numbers, no need. You just think that if number doesn't come in 2's table, 1 is not coming in 2's table, 3 is not coming in 2's table, 5 is not coming, 7 is not coming, similarly 9 is also not coming. Okay, so the numbers which are not coming in 2's table, so let's take example. First, 321. Now again we will focus on only last digit. Last digit is 1. So 1 comes in 2's table? No. In answers, 2 ones are 2. 1 is not coming. It means it is an odd number. This is 477. Just focus on last digit. You will check only last digit. You are not concerned with these digits. Okay, so just focus on last digit. This is 7. So 7 also doesn't come in 2's table. It means it is unpaired number. So again it is an odd number. Now next 563. So focus on last digit 3. 3 doesn't come in 2's table. So it means this number is also odd number. Now I am taking bigger number, in thousands, 4319. Last digit is 9. So 9 doesn't come in 2's table. So this number is also odd number. Okay, I hope it is clear to all. If the number is paired, then it is even number. If number is not paired in last, okay, then it is odd number. And how you will check? You will check it from its last digit. Okay, students, one more thing I want to discuss. So if you see counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I am taking till 10 only, but which I am going to tell you, it continues in whole counting. Okay, like see, 1 is an odd number. Okay, 2, I am circling even numbers. 2 is an even number, 3 is odd, 4 is even, 5 is odd, 6 is even, 7 is odd, 8 is even, 9 is odd, 10 is even. So if you see it, see the pattern. See the pattern. One number is odd, one number is even. One number is odd, even. Next odd, even. Next odd, even. It means alternate numbers are even numbers. Okay, I hope it is clear to all. So students, again I am giving you reminder for this week also. We will revise the previous tables also, so that you can learn it properly. No need to cram, no need to learn, just write down daily all the tables from 11 to 16. Thank you, students.